Your feet come off.
One.
No, she can't hold you up.
Hey guys! Hey! You guys are swimming!
Hey! John's going to jump off
Feet come off.
Okay.
Try, you're still reaching out so that you're going to go dive like that.
Yeah.
Right now, you're going down.
Okay.
The further you're going down, the more you're doing that, you see.
Yeah.
And so you're trying to get out.
John's
Get
up on
out
the roof. He's
because
about
the
to do a
perfect
dive.
dive entry is
Hey guys, you might want to
good divers.
go to the side
Well, they're
then.
measuring them on it when they're scoring them in.
He's just getting a lesson
It's
right now.
very little splash because they don't want to see the legs coming over. They want to make sure that the dive entry is perfectly vertical. And that means at takeoff, you're more or less looking towards the horizon rather than down. You look down before you dive, but then look to the horizon as you push off. That way it'll keep you straight. Yeah.
Whoa!
Yeah, much better, John. Excellent.
Good job.
Good dive. That was the best one.
Not go any further.
That was the best one. So your focus is right. All you have to do now is concentrate on keeping your legs together as you do that, so you get a really nice clean entry. Then you're on for a really high scoring dive.
Alright. Hey!
When are you putting down in the Olympics?
I don't know.
Good.
Are you gonna jump up where we jump? John?
You do that again?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, let's watch it again then.
What are you doing, Sebastian? Coming back on the boat? No, I don't think you are.
You can jump from the step.
You can jump from where? Right there where you are? Are you okay? Need help?
You sure he's alright? I
Sorry?
missed that. I was just put my eye off. I'm sorry.
It doesn't matter.
It looked better. Give me a shout just before you take when you're ready, and I'll concentrate. I was just watching Sebastian.
I want you to come up here. Come up here, okay?